What's going on, guys? Blader Jordan today, and I'm back with another Metal Fight Beyblade battle. And today's battle is going to be a battle between Storm Aquario 100 flat slash, or I'm sorry, 100 hull flat slash sharp, and it's going to be going up against Lightning El Drago 100 hull flat. So both of these bays pretty much same bottom, just that Storm Aquario has the sharp. But yeah, coming through is going to win down below. We're doing another anime Beyblade battle. So yeah, let's see which bay wins, and let's get started. So I'm going to be alternating through the bays since I have Aquario in attack mode. Go shoot. Okay, nice draw. That was very nice. All right, go shoot. Okay, El Drago with a knockout. Nice. Go shoot. Wow, alright, Aquario fell off the stadium, so let me redo that over. And it falls out the stadium again, so I have to redo that over. Oh my god. Let me just go with El Drago first. Alright, go shoot. That was cheap win from El Drago, but I guess I'll still count it. All right, Storm Aquario finally gets a knockout. Let me grab El Drago real quick. All right, so I believe it's 2-1. Yeah, 2-1. Alright, never mind. 3-1. Okay, Aquario. Okay, nice. 3-2. Go shoot. Okay, now we got the Drago falling off the stadium. Hey, nice. Looked a little more from Aquario, but since it was close, I'll just call it a tie. Ooh. Ooh, okay, Aquario. Almost knocked out El Drago. El Drago may still take it because it can actually spin still. Due to the spin until the left. Yep, El Drago took that by a little bit, but still takes it. Alright, so 4-2. So let's see if this is going to be the final round. Okay, not the final round yet. Go shoot. Alright, and Lightning El Drago puts an end to it and knocks out Aquario for the final time. So, Lightning El Drago is the winner of this battle. Hope you guys enjoyed. Sorry about the bays falling out the stadium. It's really tough when you're dealing with two attack types and the ridge and stuff. So, you just gotta get mastered. You just gotta really be mastered at that. So, hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for more Metal Fight Beyblade battles. Please subscribe to the channel. And with that being said, I'll see you guys later.